Hi friends, this is Akshata here from Akshata's Recipes. Well, today I'll be showing you how to make some corn, spinach and cheese grilled sandwich, an anytime snack. That is, just take the mixture, put it into your refrigerator, get some bread, and whenever you are hungry or your kids are hungry, just make a sandwich. It's so simple. So let's head on and start making this amazing spinach, corn and cheese grilled sandwich. Now we are first going to make a white sauce. So we'll take 1 tablespoon of butter at room temperature in a non-stick pan. Now to this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. And we're going to mix the two ingredients together till the rawness of the flour goes away, and also that we don't have any lumps, so we just mix it. And now we are going to add 1 cup of milk. The proportion is always 1:1:1. So there goes in the 1 cup of milk. And again we're going to mix everything together to get a very smooth white sauce. You can even use a whisk to get everything together. Keep stirring to ensure that there are no lumps formed. This will be the base of our filling for our corn and spinach sandwich. This should take you about a minute or two to get a nice smooth consistency, and this should be done on a low flame. So keep stirring to ensure that the flour doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. And using a non-stick pan also helps in making this white sauce. Now once our white sauce or our base is ready, as you can see, now we have a very smooth consistency. We're going to add to this about 1 cup of boiled corn. Give this a very good mix. And to this we're going to add some chopped up blanched spinach or palak. What I have done is I have first washed the leaves very well, actually soaked it in some salt water for 10 minutes, drained it, and then I have put it in some hot boiling water for about a minute, and then transferred it into a bowl of ice cold water. And in this way we can blanch it. The other way, if you want to go for an easier option, is you just put this into a pressure pan with a little bit of water, say about a cup of water, and just keep it for 1 whistle on high fire, and immediately turn off your pressure pan and wait for the pressure pan to cool down, and then drain out all the excess water. And then you also can use, it comes to the same thing, you get lovely blanched spinach or palak, and you have to wait for it to cool down a bit. And now we're going to add some garlic powder. I'm using about 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you don't have garlic powder, you can add finely chopped garlic. Garlic powder is very easily available in stores. So once our garlic powder is well incorporated, We are now going to add some chili flakes for that extra kick. You can add as much or as little of the chili flakes as as how spicy you would like your sandwiches. Some salt to taste. Give everything a nice mix. And some pepper. So I'm going to be using about 1 teaspoon of pepper. If you don't like the red chili flakes, you can also add a little bit of green chili, very finely cut. So we're going to mix all of this together. Again, remember, on a low flame. Now turn off your gas or your flame and add some grated cheese. This is processed cheese. You can add any cheese of your choice. But ensure that your gas is switched off. And now let the cheese just melt with the residue heat. And this is our filling for our lovely corn, spinach and cheese sandwiches. You can make this filling and just store it in your refrigerator in an airtight jar and just use it whenever required to make some yummy sandwiches. Now just transfer all of this into a bowl so that it cools down completely, and then we are ready to make these amazing corn cheese sandwiches. Now we will take some bread slices, and once our mixture has cooled, we will add this filling evenly all over the bread. And then we're going to cover this with another slice of bread. Now here I'm using this special sandwich pan because it gives a nice grilled effect. You can even toast this in a sandwich toaster or on a plain pan too. Just apply some butter on either side and toast it or grill it till you get a nice golden color on both sides of your sandwich. So now that it's grilled on one side, you can turn it over. So with the heat, even the cheese in the mixture will start to melt. And here you have it, the delicious spinach and corn and cheese grilled sandwich. An anytime snack, a tiffin idea, even a party starter, or you can even have this for your lunch or dinner. So please do try out this recipe and let me know in the comments box below how you like this recipe. See you again in another video. Please do give this video a big like. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell icon for updates. Visit my channel for more than 140 recipes. And thanks for watching. Bye. See you in another video.